stickers for your car for a track day event. How do you do this? Well, I did these for $8, and I'll show you how. This is shelf paper I got at Home Depot, and it was $8 for a very long roll of this black vinyl. And I found this on a website where they recommended how you actually cut these out. So let me show you how I did that. Okay, so Home Depot is where I found this shelf paper, black, kind of matte, not very glossy. You can also get this carbon fiber looking material off of Amazon for not much more money. So I printed it off using Microsoft Word. You can use any kind of word processing thing, maybe even Excel. It took a little while to render to the printer, but once it sent, that was fine. I picked an easy number like number 7, which happens to be my favorite number, but it's a bunch of straight lines. It was easier to cut out. Cut it out using an X-Acto knife, and then used some painter's tape on my car to line it up. Used a level to kind of level that orange tape. I measured about 2 inches between each digit, then stuck it on. I did get to the track day, and for some reason they didn't want triple numbers, all numbers the same, so I modified the last one to a number 1. It was a little crude because it was slanted, but it did the job. And I did this I didn't want to have the blue or orange painter's tape on it, with the number, which is what you do in a pinch, but I was pretty happy with the way it turned out. Just a cheap, inexpensive way to do it. Of course, you can, if you have enough time, order vinyl stickers, custom made off of Amazon too. That's another way of doing it. I hope this helps give you some tips on how to do it cheaply. Thanks for watching.